Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. If you've been around here long, you know that one of my favorite fire lays is the log cabin. What if you needed to dry a lot of wood and make up some coals to cook on quickly? Let's see what it looks like to do a double log cabin fire lay. And we'll put some pine needles down in there. These are the last of my pine needles too. I got enough for one more tinder bundle for my next video. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Now, so that my phone won't cut off in this heat, let me see if I can cover it up, shade it a little bit. That should work.